Welcome to Beaumont's Kitchen. Today we're making gazpacho. Let's get started with that. So you need some nice ripe tomatoes. Toss at least, I think I have at least about 4 or 5 of these. Okay, all diced, cubed up there. Toss that into the bowl. 1 red onion. Toss that in there. Half a cucumber all chopped up. Toss that in there. And we're gonna puree this, so it can all be rough chop, no problem. Yeah, we're gonna do 1,000 cloves of garlic. Toss that in there. Some peppers, red and yellow peppers. Perfect. Balsamic vinegar in here. Fresh cracked pepper. Yeah, otherwise probably about a tablespoon and a half of balsamic vinegar. Italian seasoning. Toss some of that in there. Salt to make it thick after when you blend it, because it's a soup. We're tossing some bread in there. Okay. So, cube that bread, whichever bread you have in your house, you can use. Doesn't have to be fancy. Yeah, a little bit of balsamic vinegar, just a little bit more. A bit more salt in there. We can adjust the seasoning after if we need to. Olive oil in there too. Can't have gazpacho without just a little bit of citrus, a little bit of lemon in here. Oh yeah, Beaumont Style gazpacho. The good stuff. Oh yeah, minus the lemon seeds. A little bit of spice. There's some cracked chilies in there. A little bit of that in there. I said Beaumont Style. I think a little bit of kick to your gazpacho is a good thing. Mix this all up. Mix it up good. We want some weight on there so we can get all some juices out of there. So we're gonna grab this. Couple bowls on there, so a little bit of weight on there gets a little juicy, because everything you have to remember the veggies we're using have water in it, so it reduces a certain amount of water, and you just let this marinate for at least 2 hours. If you have overnight, I would suggest doing it overnight. Okay, so we're gonna just toss this in the fridge, and we'll come back and we'll blend it up. Yeah, so it's been the gazpacho marinating all the veggies we did yesterday, or they've been marinating for almost 24 hours. So let's get it into the blender. Good stuff. All right, in there. And I would suggest if you have fresh basil, use that. I just got this stuff you can use too. So just toss some basil in there into the bowl. And definitely want to serve it cold. Check the seasoning. Oh wow, it don't need nothing. Give our gazpacho a try. So fresh, it's so yummy, awesome. Cold tomato soup. I think all the ingredients you put in there. And it has a bit of a kick to it, which I prefer. I like that. Gazpacho. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. And if you liked this video, you might like that one or this one.